see we're in the garage. It is 5 AM. Let's go check up on the air conditioner. And it's pretty cold out here, not that cold. Yeah, that's quite rusted. Yeah, my garden's basically just all plain. Nothing special, just all plain. Over here's a bit different. Yeah, it's a swimming pool. Now the air conditioner, well, I tried to clean it. You can see all the moss is gone, except for that part, and the vents on the other side. But it looks in better condition than it did. I tried to surface it, but you know, I'm not the greatest at that. At least it was a good attempt, I would say. Yeah, that's just a quick video. That's the air conditioner. Yeah, my garden is like nothing special. It's pretty cold out here, not that cold. Unusual for summer, but oh well. Okay, we're back in here. That was just a quick video. Hope you enjoyed. Also, before we go, that's the box right there. That's where that's gonna be my toolbox. That's gonna be the box for my antique fans. That's the spray paint. There's another box. I'm gonna put more fans into those. Okay. Anyways, thanks for watching and see ya.